right, guys, so let's review the table clamps that I got from VIP Cross Stitch that hold your cross stitch hoops to the table. All right, so we've got our table clamps from VIP Cross Stitch. And at first I was trying to figure out how this large piece was going to fit onto here, but these two pieces were taped to the outside of the bag. So I believe what we've got to do is just screw those on and screw these on to that. Maybe, let's see. Yep, there we go. Now it's going. So that one is set up, and you can see it's got a ball joint here, so it's kind of like can move all around, and can tighten that up because I see this piece right here tightens the ball joint. So if you don't want it to just slip around on you, just tighten that up. And they are very, very heavy duty. I'm trying to move you to the edge of the table so you can see how I've got this clamped. But it is not going anywhere. And these clamps seem like they'll be really useful. And I can rotate them however I want. And let's go ahead back and set up the other one just in case you missed it or didn't quite understand. So I just took this, and there are two different sides to it. I have the side that's a little bit raised. Trying to get it underneath the camera. So this end that's a little bit wider is what I am attaching to the side with the ball joint. And then you just screw this on over the top of it. And it goes into place pretty easily. And that noise was just the springs in the clamp for the frame. So let me go get one of my cross stitch frames and we'll see how well it holds it. All right, so here we go. I have set my current project up on these table clamps, and I am really impressed. I think that this is going to work out really, really well for me. I think that, you have a little bit of movement here if you push at the top of the frame, but I think that would be true of any stand that you try. And overall, these seem really sturdy and heavy duty, which I think I've said plenty of times already, but I am very impressed with them. And I think these are going to work out well for filming, which is what I got them for. But I think these would also work really well if you're going to some kind of a retreat, a stitch along retreat type thing, cross stitching retreat. I'll get the names eventually. But I think this would work really well for that if you were somebody who didn't like to stitch holding your frame. You wanted to have a stand, but maybe you don't want to carry that to a retreat with you. You could just clamp these onto the table and you'd be all set up and ready to go. And they're really easy to just remove your frame as well. You would just reach over and twist them out like that. And of course, the ball joints make it easy to adjust as well. It really didn't take me but a second to set this all up, and I'm excited to use it. I think this is going to work out really, really well for me. Now, I am not affiliated with VIP Cross Stitch. I don't get any kickback for sending you there. They did give me a 10% off coupon code to share with you guys though, and I will link them and this product down below in the description box. And I will also put that coupon code in the description box as well so that you can find it easily. So check them out if you want to. I think I'm really happy with this. I would personally spend my own money on it. They did send this to me for free, but I would buy this myself. So I think that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, And I will see you guys again next time. Bye!